recorded version of Beyond Buzzword Bingo. It is a series of about 10-minute clips of a presentation that is held frequently within my area of expertise, data science. It is held in a room, the presentation or the workshop in many cases, and I always start off with a small joke introducing myself that I'm actually the most fortunate person in the room, not only because I have a beautiful wife, a nice house with a beautiful car, two healthy sons at universities. No, it is because I'm product owner, which is obviously the Superman in the Scrum Agile era. But far and foremost, I'm actually a data scientist, and the Harvard Business Review already in 2012 said that was the sexiest job in the 21st century. So obviously, I'm an extremely lucky person. The goal of this presentation is to raise understanding of data science, artificial intelligence. I use, by the way, data science, artificial intelligence interchangeably, which is not necessarily all that accurate, but for argument's sake, let's go with that. And I try to raise it on the point of what it is, how it works, how it's done, why it is hard, but also around what good data science is. And really what I'm trying to do is on a relatively light way try to explain how a computer can learn. Now, why would you actually care? Well, in my mind, actually knowing how stuff works is actually fun. But far and foremost, what I believe is important, that if you understand how it works and how it is done, you can actually be a better judge of the possibilities and also the impossibilities of AI, and therefore actually form a more educated opinion about some of the moral aspects, because obviously there's lots of discussion around algorithms and prejudice and proxies, and there's lots of stuff around that, and you always hear about that in the news. But actually understanding how it works will enable you to actually form your own opinion. So that's really the basis I'm trying to do this. Important to realize that this presentation, in trying to achieve its goal, it uses gross oversimplifications and generalizations. I don't have a scientific pretense. It is just there for you to understand and appreciate some of the complexities and intricacies of data science. So really what it's about is getting beyond the buzzword bingo. Buzzwords that you typically hear in the data science environment: data mining, algorithms, data visualizations, advanced analytics, predictive statistics, all that kind of stuff. So we're trying to get beyond that. Next, when I hold this presentation, everybody will have had a good time. I hope you will have when you watch this. Most will actually get a decent understanding of what it works, of how it works, and this is my experience. I hold this presentation, at least in the pre-corona era, I held it once or twice a month on average. There was always somebody in the audience that would come back to me after the presentation, after the workshop, asking, what do you need to do to become a data scientist? So some of that will actually be inspired by this. So far the introductions. Next clip will be about what data science is, some examples, and also address the point of how old it is. Thank you for watching.